Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. In June 2026, which major technology company launched a highly advanced AI superchip named RTX Spark? Right answer is option C, Nvidia. When was World Oceans Day 2026 observed across the world? Correct answer is option B, June 8th. Who became the first Indian Grandmaster to win the prestigious Norway Chess 2026 title? Correct answer is option C, R. Pragnananda. Which state government imposed a complete ban on all food products containing nicotine and tobacco for a period of 1 year in June 2026? Correct answer is option B, Nagaland. In which Indian city did the United Kingdom's University of Liverpool receive approval to establish its first international branch campus? Right answer is option D, Bengaluru. When was World Food Safety Day 2026 observed to raise awareness about the importance of food safety? Correct answer is option A, June 7th. Which Indian boxer secured the world number one position in the women's 57 kg category in the World Boxing Rankings released in June 2026? Right answer is option A, Jasmine Lamboria. In June 2026, the final phase of the Zojila Tunnel, situated at an altitude of 11,578 feet, was successfully completed. Which two regions will this tunnel connect? Right answer is option D, Kashmir Valley and Ladakh. Who was appointed as India's next executive director at the World Bank effective from June 2026? Right answer is option A, Neelkant Mishra. Which country approved the world's first invasive brain computer interface implant named NEO for commercial use? Right answer is option B, China. In June 2026, which major data driven initiative of the Ministry of Panchayati Raj was awarded the Gold Award under Category 7 at the National E Governance Awards 2026? Right answer is option B, Panchayat Unnati Index. Who was entrusted with the additional charge of Chief Executive Officer of the India AI mission by the central government in June 2026? Right answer is option A, Saurabh Vijay. Which campaign did Union Environment Minister Bhupender Yadav and Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta inaugurate while launching 18 new Namo Oxygen Parks in Delhi in June 2026? Right answer is option B, Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam. Who was appointed as the new captain of the Indian men's T20 international cricket team in June 2026? Right answer is option D, Shreyas Iyer. When was the Day Against Child Labor 2026 observed to raise awareness about eliminating child labor? Correct answer is option B, June 12th. In June 2026, India's Unified Payments Interface was linked with the National Payments Interface of which neighboring country to facilitate cross border digital payments? Correct answer is option C, Nepal. Which physician of Indian origin set a world record for the longest distance robotic telesurgery covering approximately 20,000 km by successfully operating on a patient in Indore from Guyana in South America? Right answer is option C, Dr. Sudhir Srivastav. According to a Bloomberg report published in June 2026, which country overtook India in global market capitalization to become the world's sixth largest stock market? Correct answer is option D, South Korea. Who became the first non Muslim diplomat since India's independence to be appointed as India's ambassador to Saudi Arabia? Right answer is option B, Vipul. In June 2026, which state government signed a memorandum of understanding with the United Nations Development Programme to promote climate resilient and sustainable development? Correct answer is option B, Himachal Pradesh. Typhoon Jangmi affected Japan in June 2026. Which country named this tropical cyclone? Correct answer is option C, South Korea. In which three countries did the 23rd edition of the FIFA World Cup begin in June 2026? Right answer is option A, Canada, Mexico, and United States. Where did South Korea and Japan conduct their first joint maritime search and rescue exercise in 9 years in June 2026? Right answer is option D, Jeju Island. Who was honored with the prestigious Barton Award 2026 for excellence in cartooning? Right answer is option B, Subhani Sheikh. In June 2026, President Draupadi Murmu gave official approval to the proposal for the merger of which Maharatna company with Power Finance Corporation? Right answer is option B, REC Limited. Where was the 8th Joint Commission meeting between India and Indonesia held in June 2026 after a gap of 4 years? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi, India. Who won the Formula One Championship Monaco Grand Prix 2026, which was held in June 2026? Right answer is option C, Kimi Antonelli. Which state government launched Project Ganga to provide high speed internet connectivity to 20 lakh rural households? Correct answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. Which legendary Indian athlete and coach who was a former Asian Games gold medalist passed away at the age of 49 in June 2026? Correct answer is option A, Jaspal Rana. According to the SIPRI annual report released in June 2026, what is the estimated number of nuclear weapons possessed by India? Right answer is option C, 190. Where was the 5 day International BRICS Agriculture Conference held from June 9th to 13th, 2026? Right answer is option B, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Who has been appointed as India's next ambassador to Turkey effective from June 2026? Right answer is option A, Rudra Gaurav Shresht. Which country does Rumesh Taranga belong to, who became the fourth Asian athlete to cross the 90-meter mark in the javelin throw? Correct answer is option D, Sri Lanka. Which union minister launched the Bhavya portal under the Bharat Audyogik Vikas Yojana to develop 100 world class industrial parks across the country? Right answer is option A, Piyush Goyal. When was World Brain Tumor Day 2026 observed? Right answer is option B, June 8th. Which technology company partnered with Reliance Industries to establish an AI enabled data center in Jamnagar, Gujarat? Correct answer is option C, Meta. June 2026 marked the completion of 10 years of the Pradhan Mantri Surakshit Matritva Abhiyan. When was the scheme originally launched? Right answer is option A, June 9th, 2016. Which Indian food based metabolic recovery system was honored with the Rashtriya Ratna Award 2026 in June 2026? Correct answer is option A, Grasa Millets and Foods Private Limited. Who led the Indian delegation at the 114th International Labour Conference held in Geneva, Switzerland in June 2026? Correct answer is option D, Shobha Karandlaje. Large-scale cultivation of imidazolinone resistant hybrid varieties of which crop is being launched in India starting from the 2026-27 Rabi season? Right answer is option C, mustard. Which country announced the 35 by 35 initiative during the Bonn Climate Conference held in Germany in June 2026? Right answer is option C, both A and B, Turkey and Australia. Which land port management system aimed at modernizing border management was launched by Union Home Minister Amit Shah in New Delhi in June 2026? Correct answer is option A, Vinimay. Who won the gold medal in the women's category at the Asian Individual Chess Championship 2026 held in Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia? Right answer is option D, Savita Shribhaskar. With which two states did the central government sign a tripartite agreement in June 2026 for the joint exploration and production of crude oil and natural gas? Right answer is option B, Assam and Nagaland. Where did the Union Ministry of Food Processing Industries and the World Bank jointly organize the Sapling Dialogue 2026 in June 2026? Right answer is option D, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Where did Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla inaugurate the second annual conference of the Commonwealth Parliamentary Association India Region Zone 2 in June 2026? Right answer is option A, Haryana Legislative Assembly, Chandigarh. Which country is hosting the 10th ICC Women's T20 World Cup 2026 commencing in June 2026? Correct answer is option B, England and Wales. With which company did the Ministry of Defence sign a Rs 449 crore agreement for the procurement of 20 advanced capability global navigation satellite system jammers for the Indian Navy? Right answer is option B, Accord Software and Systems Private Limited. According to the SBI Research EcoWrap report released in June 2026, to what percentage did India's GDP growth rate rise in the financial year 2025-26? Correct answer is option C, 7.7%. Prime Minister Narendra Modi became the longest continuously serving Prime Minister of India after completing 4,398 consecutive days in office. Whose historic record did he surpass? Right answer is option C, Jawaharlal Nehru. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.